My video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove malicious pop-ups by the website Ganilerb.xyz. Ganilerb.xyz is a dangerous site indeed. It now targets Google Chrome and other browsers, and this malicious site tries to make you really scared regarding the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. So be very careful and don't tolerate those pop-ups by this Ganilerb.xyz site. Instead, simply leave this deceptive page. I recommend you to additionally investigate the computer with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. So use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the program, and this is the way it looks like. So after it gets successfully installed, start investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to fully detect and remove other threats from your system. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.